Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix USB device not showing up. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to open the browser. Here, we will search for Windows PowerShell. Right-click, Run as admin. Here, type the following command and then press Enter. Well, now go back to the search engine and search for Device Manager. You will go down to here and click here. Here, you will have to choose the USB you have. Usually it comes up as USB mass storage. Since I don't have a USB connected, I will do the example with this one. Right-click, Update Driver. Click here, then here. Check for updates. If that didn't work, right-click on the USB, then uninstall device. And restart the PC. Well, if that didn't work either, go to the search engine. Search for Edit Power Plan. Change Advanced Power Settings. USB Settings. USB Selective Suspend Setting. And here, in Setting, you must keep it on Disabled. Then, restart the PC. And, as a last possible solution, do the following. Hold down the power button on the PC for about 35 to 40 seconds. If the PC shuts down, keep holding it until those seconds are up. After the 40 seconds have passed, turn on the PC normally, and it should be fixed. If the video was useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.